Hello dear students, this is Bharat and you are watching video lecture on natural vegetation of Bharat. Dear students, this is ninth topic, ninth chapter of geography and natural vegetation of Bharat, India is actually ninth chapter of your class 8 geography and in this video, in this chapter, we are going to discuss our natural vegetation and its classification. After that, we are going to discuss wildlife and their features in our Bharat. Okay, so dear students, let me first define what is natural vegetation. All of you understand, all of you see in our Bihar, in our part, uh, there are many more trees. But is that natural vegetation? No. Why? Some are natural vegetation, but some of the plant you planted. Okay. So what is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation is also called virgin vegetation. So first we define natural vegetation. So natural vegetation refers to the plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by human from a long time. This is termed as virgin vegetation. As all of you know, there is two terminology, flora and fauna. Okay, so flora means plant, particular the region of plant, and fauna means the species of animals. So the huge diversity in flora and fauna kingdom due to the following factor we are going to discuss. As all of you understand, the physiographic division of Bharat is showed as a mini world. So across Bharat, we have mountain range, we have plateau area, desert area, area of field, and we have coastal region, we have islands. So dear students, India is our mini world. So due to this, we have different set of climatic condition, different set of season, and due to this, we have different set of flora, different set of trees. So let me discuss in this chapter classification of our forest. So natural vegetation in Bharat, we have tropical evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon type of forest, tropical dry forest, arid or you can say desert vegetation, tidal or mangrove or littoral forest, and after that we have mountain forest. This is major forest cover in our Bharat and which is also given in your book. So let me define you this thing like as all of you see, this is the area of this is the western Ghat area and this is the northeast area where heavy rainfall occurs. So evergreen forest in this part you can see. Okay. So after that you see this is the tropical region. This is the cold desert area. So again we have alpine type of climate this area and subalpine type of climate and there is no vegetation in this part. This is hot desert, so thorny bushes you can see in this area and this area is the tropical moist deciduous this area. Okay, and the tropical deciduous major area is this. Okay, let me define tropical evergreen forest. Average rainfall above 200 centimeter, average temperature 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, This is found at hot and humid area, as all of you know, and forest cover is tall and dense. Hardwood forest find in this area. Major forest in this area is actually trees in this area. It's mahogany, ebony, rubber, coconut, palms, rosewood, chaplas, and gurjan. These all are the major area. Okay, and the area we find, you can see Andaman Nicobar Islands, Eastern India, and the Western Ghat. Okay, this is the main area. Sun rays unable to reach on earth surface due to the dense of this forest. Now let me define. This is the tree. You can see rubber tree, mahogany, ebony, and palm. Now deciduous forest, average rainfall from 100 to 200 centimeter, average temperature as in the evergreen forest, that means 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, average height of tree 25 to 45 meter, and the main area, major area you find Shivalik area and the Ganga Valley, some part of Western Ghat and the northeast India also. It is economically very important. As you see in this slide, we have uh, sal tree, teak tree, shisham tree, sandalwood, deodar, mahua, meadowbalan, arjun, and Andaman, padok, palash, dhanak, amla, and jamun. These all are major deciduous forest tree. So said in their leaves in the summer due to the shortage of water, you can see in this deciduous rainforest. Let me define more. This is the area, this is the tree of deciduous forest, teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood, and this deodar. Now let me define tropical dry forest. So it is said that vegetation is the index of climate. So, as all of you know, the chain of this forest is due to rainfall. So, heaviest rainfall part, heavier rainfall part, we have Western Ghats, the northeast part. So, in that part, we have evergreen forest, and from 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall, we have tropical deciduous forest, and 50 to 100 centimeter, we have tropical dry forest. So, in this forest, we have it is less dense and a small side of tree in this area, at almost 6 to 9 meter. So roots are thick and long to use underground water, and the major area is Punjab, Haryana, MP, Eastern Rajasthan, and the central Deccan Plateau area, and most of the area used for agriculture in this part. So the forest cover is very low of this tropical dry forest, and the major tree in this area is neem, shisham, babool, peepal, mango. This is the tropical dry forest. Okay, look at this picture. It is vivid dry temperate grassland, this area, tropical evergreen this area, and this area also, in this area also, and wet temperate zone is there. This is the part of uh, thorny bushes, tropical thorny bushes area. So arid and desert forest, less than 50 centimeter of rainfall, and it is prominent feature small leaf, thick bark, and long roots. And you find this in the western Rajasthan, southwest Haryana, Punjab, and some part of Gujarat. So kikar, babool, and bushes shrubs is the major uh, trees or plant of this arid and desert forest. Now tidal forest. As all of you know, we have world largest delta area, and since from north to south we have so many rivers flowing, so due to this we have many more delta region. So in that region we have littoral forest, or you can say tidal forest, or you can say mangrove forest. The famous mangrove tree is Sundari tree, and since this area is known as halophytes, that means torrent of salinity. So, salinity in the field, in the soil. So, in this part, we have bushes and ferns also consist of thick bushes and ferns. And in this area, we have Sundarban, Andaman Nicobar Island, Delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are Sundarban in this picture. Mountain forest. Mountain forest vary considerably along the slope of mountain. On the foothills of the mountain, up to height of 1500 meter, evergreen trees like sal, teak, bamboo, cane grows abundantly. But on the high slope from 1500 meter to 3500 meter, temperate coniferous tree like pine tree, fir tree, oak, deodar, laurel, spruce, cedar grows. At the high altitude region of Himalaya, uh, junipers are found and rhododendrons are found. Beyond these vegetation belt, alpine grasslands appears up to snowfields. So I hope this is clear for forest cover in our Bharat. So look at the picture of this oak tree, spruce, pine tree, fir tree, and cedars. These all are mountain range, mountain areas tree. So dear students, I hope forest cover of Bharat is clear for you. In the another video, in the another video lecture, we are going to discuss our wildlife sanctuary, wildlife assets. So I hope you understood all this phenomenon. Thank you so much for watching this video.